In this video, you will learn how to apply for a certification to become a training provider, how to create a training provider company in the system, and how to manage your members. To view the certification and education menu, you may start by selecting the Getting Started link at the top of the web page, or you may select the menu using the drop-down icon shown here. Select the Apply for Certification action button to initiate a new certification application. The certification page will list the certification categories. Click the drop-down menu icon here to see the certification types under each category. To select the training provider certification type, click View. At the top of the certification overview page, you will see details about the certification, including the certification name, the title you will receive once certified, and the term for the certification. Also from this page, you may begin the certification application. Read details about the certification, and learn about the required assessment. The table provides information about the required assessments. A check mark will be displayed in the course required column if a prerequisite course is needed before taking the assessment. You can also see a list of certification records under the certification history section. If desired, click the assessment link to learn more details. You are now ready to begin the certification application process. Click Apply to begin. The certification application will start in a new status. Click Next to advance the certification application wizard. From the profile page, select No and click Next. The My Certification profile page appears. Fill out the required fields, including first and last name, your date of birth by clicking the calendar icon. From the drop-down, select your preferred contact method and provide your email address. You may choose to also provide a mailing address. Then select your email preferences. Click Next to advance through the wizard. After reviewing the details, click Submit. The new certification application will start in an in-progress status. The page will provide next action steps. You may upload documents by clicking the Upload Documents button. Start the required assessment by clicking View Assessment, or review a summary of the new certification. Click the View Assessment to view details about the required assessment. From the assessment page, click Start to begin the registration assessment. The assessment attempt page displays several details, including the assessment name and the attempt record number for tracking purposes. Select your language from the drop-down and click Next. You will now see passing score details, including a list of the assessment sections and the score required to pass a section. You may now begin your assessment attempt. Click Begin to start your attempt. Answer the registration question, click Select and Complete. From the Ready to Submit page, you can view your assessment results and view fees. Click Pay Fees to pay the certification fees. You will then be taken to the Nebraska payment system, where you can enter your payment details. Now that the certification fee has been paid, you can access your receipt under Payment History. Click Submit to finalize your assessment attempt. Your assessment attempt is now complete. Click the certification application link here. Click Complete to finalize your new certification application. Your certification application is now under review as indicated by the In Review status. Once your application is reviewed by commission staff, you will be notified by email with the link that redirects you to the customer portal. When your application has been approved, the status on your certification application will display as active. As a certified training provider, you will see additional action buttons on the home page. You may now create a training provider company, propose or update a course, and view a list of your course offerings and training provider companies. We will cover how to propose and update a course in another video. Now let's create your training provider company. Start by clicking Create Training Provider. On the Details tab, type in your training provider company name and phone number. To add members to your training provider company, click the Search Finder. A list of people will appear. Choose the individuals you want to add to your company. Only people who are certified as an instructor or training provider in the system will appear in the list. Keep in mind that a person must be listed as a member with your company to associate them with a course offering. To change your training provider company managers, navigate to the Managers tab. To add or remove a member as a manager, click by the person's name and select your action. At least one member must be identified as a manager. Click Save when you are done. You have now successfully learned how to become a certified training provider, create a training provider company, and how to manage your members and managers. You are now ready to propose a course. We encourage you to watch the How to Propose a Course video next.